Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question on the topic of triangles, and the question is as follows. In an isosceles triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to pi by 6 and the radius of its circumcircle is 4. The radii of its incircle is. Now we are given 4 options for this question. Option A 4 root 3 minus 6, option B 4 root 3 plus 6, option C 2 root 3 minus 2, and option D 2 root 3 plus 2. So this was our question on the topic of geometry, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given an isosceles triangle ABC such that angle A is equal to angle C. So let's take our isosceles triangle like this, where angle A is equal to angle C, which is equal to pi by 6 or 30 degrees. Now if these two are 30 degree, this angle automatically becomes 120 degree. Now we are also given that the circumradius of this isosceles triangle is equal to 4, so capital R is equal to 4. Now there are two very important formulas that you must know regarding an isosceles triangle. That is, circumradius of an isosceles triangle is equal to A by 2 sine A, which is also equal to A square by under root of 4 A square minus B square, where A are the equal side and B is the unequal side. So these are the two important formulas, and if we put the numbers in this formula, we'll get our desired result. So A over here is the value of the equal side and capital A is the angle between the equal sides. So we can say that 4 is equal to A by 2 sine A, that is sine 120, that is equal to half. So the value of A comes out to be 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So let's put the value of A in the second formula to calculate the value of B. So if we put the value of A as 4 in the second formula, we'll get that R, that is equal to 4, is equal to 16 divided by under root of 64 minus B square. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled and we'll get 4 over here. So if we square this whole expression, then we'll get 16 by 64 minus B square is equal to 1. Or we can say that the value of B square is equal to 48, or the value of B comes out as root 48. So we have got both the values of A and B, and now let's calculate the value of it in radius. So we have got the value of A as 4 and the value of B as root 48, and we have to just put the values in the formula of in radius. Now the formula of in radius of an isosceles triangle is equal to B by 2 under root numerator by denominator, where numerator is equal to 2A minus B and the denominator is equal to 2A plus B. So this is a very important formula to calculate the value of in radius using the values of A, which is the equal side, and B, which is the unequal side. So if we just put the values, we'll get root 48 by 2 into under root of 2A minus B, that is equal to 8, minus root 48 divided by 2 into 4, that is 8, plus root 48. Now root 48 is basically equal to 4 root 3. So over here we'll get the value as 2 root 3, and upon rationalization of this square root, the final answer that we'll get is equal to option number A, that is equal to 4 root 3 minus 6. So our answer is equal to 4 root 3 minus 6.